The online industry is still exploding with possibilities. There are still billions of dollars to be made in e-commerce, so it's no surprise that new businesses are springing up on a daily basis. Here are 7 proven techniques to make more money online, whether you're failing to make a go of your e-commerce business or truly want to see some major growth this year. Make a blog that attracts visitors. Getting adequate traffic to your website is one of the most difficult aspects of running an e-commerce business. The majority of e-commerce businesses rely on sponsored advertisements to create sales, but this is costly and reduces profit margins. To increase your store's rankings in organic search results, I propose focusing on an inbound marketing plan. Although it takes longer than buying ads, the reward is larger. An active blog is the foundation of an efficient inbound marketing effort. A summary of the consumer research journey should be included in every content marketing strategy. Thinking about what your potential consumers are looking for, the questions and difficulties they have, and personalizing your blog material to answer their pain points are all part of defining the customer's research journey. Concrete camouflage. Short. Invest in a good personal information management program. Being able to get your products online fast and efficiently is critical to your e-commerce business's long-term success, especially if you want to compete with the big players. Google favors e-commerce businesses that regularly share products and have a user experience that is simple to use. All of this can be aided by PIM systems. We can mass update material, photos, metadata, and attributes from our suppliers using a PIM system. Customers can now see the exact information they need, and we can use the improved data to improve meta titles and descriptions, which are a ranking signal on the page. Apart from SEO considerations, PIM solutions make it easier for internal teams to collaborate, translate information as needed, modify picture formats and sizes, and give an intuitive user experience. Eamon Brower, e-commerce product owner, use shopping advertising right away. As an online business, getting sales right now is critical to your long-term success. Setting up advertising that target your clients from the start is one of the finest strategies to acquire sales right away. I've dealt with dozens of e-commerce businesses, and the use of product-specific paid ads is the number one factor that has helped them burst in terms of growth. This especially refers to the use of Google Shopping advertisements as well as product-specific remarketing ads. Stacy Caprio, actress, make your things available through as many outlets as possible. If you want to accelerate your growth, you must be present in multiple internet locations. A diversification strategy, backed by defined distribution channels and legal enforcement, is the first step in growing an e-commerce business. It may not sound exciting, but it's one of the most difficult challenges most businesses confront as they grow and expand. Companies must first optimize and list their products across multiple channels. When products are offered through an authorized reseller, they must also have registered trademarks and a strong warranty. Finally, they must have explicit distribution agreements in place with any distributors or retailers that spell out where their items may and cannot be sold, as well as anti-diversion language and quality control. This is the most effective technique for expanding an e-commerce business. Amazon specialist Shannon Roddy, you will expand